the first time I heard about Diamond Lakes Reality Fair was through Christy Nation, the career coach at Cutter Morning Star, and she invited me out to partake in the Reality Fair, and that's when I made contacts and saw how well this program was, and I wanted this program and this opportunity to be brought back to Jessieville. So this is our second year to have it now here at Jessieville. The many ways that this benefits the students is it gives them an eye-opening experience about what's to come. They understand that the safety net of high school is going to be pulled out from underneath them, and they're all going to have to enter the game called life, and they're going to know how to do things, and learning how to budget their money and how to make tough decisions is part of the game of life. So this is a very eye-opening experience for them with that. So it's impacted me to see the need for this. This is a much needed time that we have to make in our calendar, I believe, every school year to have this opportunity to students. So I wish I had this when I was in high school, and now I'm in a position to where I can bring this to students and have them start realizing the importance of their finances. Start learning now. Start learning now the realities and hardships of life, and know that every day you have to get up and you have to go make something of yourself, and show up on time, have a great work ethic, and be coachable. And if you can do that, then you have a pretty good chance of being successful.